Welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of vacuums that lose suction, clog easily, or kick dust back into the air? Meet the Prolux CTX Water Filtration Canister Vacuum, a powerful cleaning solution that uses water, not bags or filters, to capture dirt, dust, and allergens. Designed for households that want deeper cleaning and fresher air, this vacuum combines modern engineering with a unique filtration system that's both powerful and hygienic. Water filtration technology. Unlike traditional vacuums, the Prolux CTX uses water filtration. Dirt, dust, and allergens are trapped in the water basin, ensuring nothing escapes back into your home. This means fresher, cleaner air after every vacuuming session. Bagless Filter Free Design. This isn't just a dry vacuum. The CTX can also handle wet messes, making it ideal for unexpected spills and tougher cleaning tasks around the home. No bags, no costly filters, and no loss of suction. Simply empty the dirty water when you're done. It's eco-friendly, cost-efficient, and perfect for anyone who's tired of replacing bags or filters. Powerful 130 CFM Suction. Equipped with a high-performance motor that delivers 130 CFM of suction power, this vacuum can easily handle deep carpets, hardwood, and even stubborn pet hair. The power is consistent, thanks to the water filtration system that never clogs. Pet-friendly cleaning. Pet owners will love this. The Prolux CTX is designed to tackle pet hair, dander, and odors with ease. Combined with water filtration, it helps neutralize smells and leaves your home feeling fresh. From carpets to hard floors, furniture, drapes, and even tight corners, the CTX comes with a full set of tools and attachments, giving you total flexibility for whole home cleaning. Durable build, long warranty. Built in the USA with high-quality materials, the Prolux CTX is made to last. It also comes with a 10-year motor warranty, giving you peace of mind that this vacuum is a long-term investment in your home's cleanliness. With its advanced water filtration, the Prolux CTX doubles as an air purifier. While you vacuum, it helps remove allergens, pollen, and dust from your air, perfect for allergy sufferers. The Prolux CTX Water Filtration Canister Vacuum isn't just another vacuum, it's a smarter, healthier, and more powerful way to clean. With water-based filtration, incredible suction, and even air-purifying benefits, it's built for families who want more than just surface-level cleaning. Product link in the video description. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.